Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are making quesadillas, one of the Mexican dishes. This is my first time trying it out and it came out so well. It tasted super good and I can't wait for you to try it out. Now without further ado, let's jump right into the video. So, for you to make quesadilla, you need protein like beef, such as cow meat or goat meat. But because I don't have any, I'll be making use of chicken. So guys, we are making chicken quesadilla. So in here I have my chicken breast washed and cut up already. Go ahead and season with some salt, some garlic powder, and a little amount of your soy sauce. Mix it well and allow to marinate for some minutes. All right. Now it is time to fry the marinated chicken. So in a pan, drizzle in some amount of your olive oil. Once it is heated, introduce your chicken. Now let's adjust it and allow it to fry, okay? So guys, chicken back, and at this point, we need to flip the other side so the chicken can cook or fry evenly. Alright, we're gonna allow it to continue frying until golden brown. Alright guys, at this point, it is looking like it. Golden, tender. I'll go ahead and take them out. If this is your first time meeting my video, you're welcome. Thank you for tuning in. My name is Ijoma. Call me IJ or Oma for short. Here I post videos on how to make easy, delicious cooking recipes, baking, small chops, snacks, and more. So if it sounds interesting to you, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button so you become part of the family, okay? Thank you. Now guys, what is quesadilla without veggies? We're going to fry up some vegetables, okay? So in same pan, same oil, I will go ahead and add some diced onions and some bell peppers. We are using the red and the green. Feel free to include any other veggies. In fact, use your preferred veggies, all right? Now allow to fry for a minute or two and introduce the fried chicken. For heat, I'll be using crushed chili. So this is full teaspoon of crushed chili. Next is a teaspoon of your garlic powder. Next, I'll go in with a little amount of seasoning, chicken seasoning, just a little. If you don't have it or you don't want to use it, please use your soy sauce instead, a little drop of your soy sauce. Now, because we don't want it dry, we want it to come together, we're going to use some corn slurry, okay? It's simply combining cornstarch and water, mixture of cornstarch and water. Season with a pinch of salt and give it a nice stir. We are going to allow it to simmer for just a minute, all right? At this point, the filling is ready. Let's give it the last stir, take it out and set aside. Please, I would love to know where you're watching from, okay? So I can send you warm greeting in my next video. Please, this is how yours should look when recreating, okay? The vegetables, not overcooked. The colors, amazing. It looks delicious. We are not done, guys. Let's move on to the next stage. It is time to get the cream ready. Quesadilla requires cream, okay? So in a clean, dry bowl, I'll go in with 4 tablespoons of Greek yogurt, unsweetened. Next is 1 full teaspoon of ketchup. Next, a teaspoon of garlic powder, a teaspoon or half teaspoon of black pepper, some dry parsley. Go in with some lemon juice. I'm using half a lemon. Feel free to replace the yogurt with your mayo or salad cream, okay? I want to enjoy it without guilt. You know what I'm talking about. Plus, it's healthy. Because I'm using unsweetened yogurt, I'll go in with some honey just to sweeten it a bit. But if you are using sweetened yogurt, you don't need honey. Now, let's give it a nice mix, okay? Until everything is well combined. All done. Can you see how smooth it looks? So take your time to stir it until it looks just like this one you're seeing on the screen. Now that the filling and the cream is ready, it is time to assemble. So grab your tortilla wrap and divide it into two, just like you're seeing on the screen. I'll be dividing 4 pieces of tortilla wraps. That will give me 8 pieces of quesadillas. I know you can't wait to see the end result. Just keep watching, okay? Now we are done dividing and we have the number of wraps we need. It is time to assemble. So grab one wrap and spread the cream all over it, just like this. Next is lettuce, some mozzarella cheese. Here comes the filling. Go in with a reasonable amount of it, but do not overcrowd it, okay? Now it is time to fold. Watch closely, okay, before recreating yours. What you do, you fold in the right side and cover it with the left side, okay, just like you're seeing on the screen. It is very simple. You can use the cream to seal it or you seal it like that. Just be careful with it, okay? That's it, guys. Please make sure to watch, practice before recreating yours, alright? Now it is time to fry. So in the same pan and little oil, I'll go on and place them in. We want it to fry evenly, so we're going to fry a minute on each side. We are supposed to fry them using enough oil, not deep fry, please take note. But because I don't want that, I'll just do it with this little oil I have in my pan. Now, gently turn to the other side and allow to fry. At this point, please make sure your heat is reduced, okay? You don't want it to burn, and monitor it closely. Alright guys, this is the first batch, and at this point, it is ready. Let's take it out. Oh my, this looks delicious. I'm sure someone is salivating already. I know you are. But you know you can recreate this and have it right on your dining table. Just follow the steps and you're good to go. Now, look at that. Look at this sumptuous goodness. Are you going to try this recipe or not? Let me know in the comments. Now, here is the second batch already. Now, let's take it out as well. My darlings, this is how you continue until you get the number of quesadillas you want. And there you have it, a delicious, mouth-watering, cheesy chicken quesadillas is set, loaded with loads of vegetables. Guys, give this recipe a go and help me share it to your friends, families, and loved ones for them to try it out. Here is the best part for me. It is testing time. Test it with me, guys. And thank you for joining me in creating this amazing recipe. If you found it interesting, don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. This one deserves good head slapping. It tasted super good and I can't wait for you to try it out. See you guys in my next one. Bye.